Want to make scratch card coupons for your business without hiring the experts? If yes, then Scratchcard SR will help you overcome your problems. The Scratchcard SR is a platform where you can create your customized website that generates numerous scratch coupons. Those scratch cards can be shared through various channels to attract customers that increase brand visibility and help to boost business ROI. Through this video, we are going to give you a quick overview of why do we need the digital scratch card coupons for your business. How can I use the Scratchcard SR for my business? Why did you choose Scratchcard SR for your business? How to use Scratchcard SR. First, we will discuss why do you need the digital scratch card coupons for your business. We help you to increase brand awareness and online visibility. Plus, you can target a large number of customers through this digital platform. These exciting digital scratch card coupons brings fun and surprises for the clients. It increases the interaction between the clients and business owners. Second, how can I use the Scratchcard SR for my business? The Scratchcard SR provides the best platform for generating customized digital exciting coupons that allows the vendors to place their customized logos, images, gift prizes and the percentage to win. All these things have been managed through the vendor's backend. Other than that, we do provide the distribution channels. After creating the digital scratch card to vendor's backend and can share it through WhatsApp, SMS, emails, and from various social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and many more. Next comes, why choose Scratchcard SR for your business? Scratchcard SR is not just creating digital scratch card coupons. It also provides various other features such as vendor's landing page, daily exciting coupons offers, paid coupons, directory coupons. Second, creating your own domain website. Here vendors can create their own website, so the entire website will display as the URL according to the vendor's business. The vendor can add their logo, product images, price and other required details. They can sell the products or services to the targeted audience. Plugins and integrations of APIs. The vendors can use our various APIs and webhooks. Even we have ready-to-use plugins like MailChimp and Constant Contact. You can share those coupons on your website or through social media channels, SMS and emails. The Scratchcard SR is mainly built for the advertisers. It tracks the number of coupons created and how many the users win the prize. It provides the entire track report on the vendor's dashboard. 4. Security. The Scratchcard SR is highly secure, so vendors can limit the number of players and winners. It only allows a unique email ID, contact number or a social media login account. Lastly, how to start work. It's easy. You only need to create the trial account on Scratchcard SR. Your website is ready to begin the work. You can take the website templates, theme according to your business requirements and create your own digital scratch cards in a minute. Let's talk to our team if you got any questions.